Hello guys, welcome back to Streamlab HQ, and there has been a recent update in the Kodi app, and the most recent version is Kodi 21.2 Omega. Okay, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install the Diggz Xenon Build on your Kodi 21.2 Omega and lower versions like the Kodi 20 Nexus and the regular Kodi 21 Omega. So it's going to be a quick tutorial, guys, and I'll encourage you to stick till the end of this video so you don't make any mistakes. Before we get started, I'll advise you to turn on your VPN first before you do anything in your Kodi app, for your privacy sake. And personally, I use the IP Vanish. It's the most reliable VPN for running Kodi apps, and it's been helping me. I don't usually face unnecessary issues because I use IP Vanish. And I also left my IP Vanish affiliate link in the description. If you want to support this channel, you can get yours through the affiliate link. And again, you also have a 30-day money back guarantee, you understand? So with that being said, the first thing we have to do is to click on this gear icon, and I'll click on these settings on this page. Then on this left panel, where you have the add-ons, I'm going to click on this unknown sources and turn it on. So I'll click yes here. Okay, after doing that, you go back to the previous page. Okay, and on this page where you have the file manager, you click on file manager and you click on add source and click none. So you enter this URL for the Diggz Xenon build, and I want you to make sure you enter it the same way I'm going to enter mine, so you won't encounter any issues while installing yours. So this is the URL, guys. https Okay, I'm going to also leave it on the screen so it will be clear enough for you not to make any mistakes. So that is it, guys. After entering it, you click on OK. Okay, you can choose to leave this media file source name as this, or you can as well change it to whatever name you want to use. So I'll click OK here. Okay, so it's been added. Then I'll go back to the previous page and I'll click on add-ons. Okay, then I'm going to click install from zip file here. Okay, and I'll look for the media file source name, which is Diggz repo, and I'll click on it, and I'm going to click on this repository.diggz 23 zip file, and I'll allow it to install, guys. Okay, so it's been installed. If at this point you encounter any issues, it's probably because of your internet connection, or maybe you're not using a VPN and your IP address has been blacklisted. So click on that IP Vanish and get that IP Vanish for yourself. It's very cheap and very reliable. So after doing that, I'll also click on install from repository. Okay, then I'll click on Diggz repository and allow it to open. So it has opened, guys. So on this page we have a lot of options here, and I'll click on program add-ons. Okay, so the wizard for the Diggz Xenon is this Chef Omega wizard, so I'm going to click on it and I'll allow it to load. Then okay, I'll click on install here and I'll click OK. So it's going to download and install. I also want to mention that this particular Kodi build is best for people that love movies, TV shows, sports, music, arcade. It has so much content, and I'm very sure you're going to enjoy it. So I have to pause this video till the installation is complete, so I will not waste your time, guys. So guys, it has been installed, guys, and when you see this option, you have to close it, and that's it, guys. So okay, I'll click on remind data, then I'll have to go back to the home page. So on this page, I'm going to click on add-ons. I'll click on program add-ons, then I'll click on Chef Omega Wizard. Okay, on this page I'm going to click on build menu. Okay, so yes, okay, so guys, I want us to go with this Diggz all-in-one free plus boost version 1.2. I think it's the most recent one. As you can see, it was updated on the, okay, yeah, so this is the most recent one. So I'm going to click on this, and I'll click on continue and allow it to download. So it's just a 203 megabyte files, guys. It's just a 203 megabyte file, so allow it to download. And so I'm going to allow it to finish downloading, and I'll allow it to finish downloading before resuming the video, so I will not waste your time, guys. So guys, while it's downloading, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button if you have not done that till now, and also turn on the notification bell, so that when I post the coming videos I'll be posting before the weekend runs out, you'll be able to get them, you know, as soon as I publish them. So guys, I'll pause this video now until it finishes downloading. So guys, the installation has been completed. Once I click on this OK, now the Kodi app will be exited, and once I restart the Kodi app, the build, the Diggz Xenon build, and the free plus boost 1.2 all-in-one build that we installed will be fully active. Okay, so that's going to be that for this particular tutorial, and I hope I was able to help you install Diggz Xenon build on your latest Kodi app, the Kodi 21.2 Omega version. So guys, if you found value in this video, I want you to show appreciation by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. So I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Do have a lovely weekend.